Here we have the Go Helper Thin Rig Jig. This thing is very nice. First of all, just before we even get into functionality, it works great. The feeling of it and the look of it, it's just a really nice looking tool. The feel of it, it's like an anodized aluminum, the red color, I just like everything about it. All right, this does slide into your rails, right? So it doesn't come out, right? It slides in there, it's machined perfectly. And then what you have here is the ability to move this thing in and out. And these little rollers here will help guide the material between your fence and here and make sure that it doesn't kick back. It's only one-sided, so these only go one way. It will not go the other way. See how they don't spin the other way. So if you have to turn around, you can just to take this and swap the whole thing, but there is a right side and a left side setting. So this one puts the material through. So let's say I had a material like this and I needed to just rip, I don't know, an eighth off. I can put this on there, tighten this down, right? And then this will basically be my helper or my jig to make sure that I can rip this material down. It's really nice. It also keeps it from kicking back as well. So it's really nice. It has does have measurements on it, and your settings here. You can screw these down if you were looking to do like preset measurements. Like let's say you were just doing 2 or 3 different ones, or let's say 2. You have presets. This is the bottom. This is the rail system, and it's a really nice tool. It just feels really good, and these guys do a really good job. Everything is this color, and I really enjoy their stuff. So this is the Thin Rip Jig. Check it out.